Hi, using Groww for payments is entirely secure, but you should know about potential UPI frauds. If you notice any suspicious activity on your account, please report it to us. You can click on the Contact Us option given below. Remember, protecting your account from fraud is crucial. Here are some essential points to remember. Never share your UPI PIN or OTP. Banks or financial institutions won't ask for your OTP or UPI PIN. Avoid sharing these sensitive details. Additionally, it is crucial to remember that if someone requests you to install any app to share your UPI PIN or any other sensitive data, please refrain from doing so. Avoid granting access to devices. Fraudsters may request access to your phone or computer under the guise of KYC requirements. Refrain from providing access to unknown customer care agents. Do not open random links. Avoid clicking on random links sent over SMS or WhatsApp, especially those promising rewards or cash. Avoid making transactions through such links to prevent potential fraud. Furthermore, it is advisable to refrain from installing apps such as Hop to Desk, as they may be able to view your screen and collect unnecessary information. Regularly change UPI PIN. Changing your UPI PIN every quarter enhances your security and shields you from potential UPI fraud. Exercise caution with payment requests. Be cautious when receiving payment requests from unfamiliar sources. A general precautionary measure to contact the respective companies is to use their official numbers provided on the app, instead of searching through online search engines. These practices will significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to fraudulent activities and help safeguard your financial accounts. You can also contact us through any of our official support channels like Twitter or write us at support@groww.in.